Hi friends, welcome to Perfect Classes Madalgaon. In previous video, we see practice set 1.2. Now we see the next topic of similarity and the subtopic name is similar triangle. In the first video, we see the definition of similar figures or the definition of congruence figure or the difference between these two, congruence and similar. What is meant by congruence? Who will tell me what is meant by congruence? I tell you in first video, congruence means in those figures the shapes and the measures of figures are same. They are called as congruence figure. And similar figures, it means that in those figures the shapes of figures are same but their measures are not the same, they are in proportion, then the figures are called as similar figures. Today we see similar triangles. What is meant by similar triangles? Here we see similar triangles. First of all, I prove what is meant by similar triangles by drawing two triangles. Here look at this figure. Here we take two triangles. We will construct here two triangles and then we better understand what is meant by similar triangles. Here we name the given triangles A, B, C and the another triangle is PQR. Similar triangles means in those triangles the shapes of triangles are same but the measures are in proportion. Therefore there are 6 components, 3 vertices and 3 sides of each triangle. The angle of first triangle are congruent to the all angles of second triangle and the corresponding sides are in a proportion. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar by the test, any test. Here we see in triangle, here in triangle ABC, what is meant by similar triangles? In two triangles, the angles of two triangles are congruent. Here look at these two figures. The angle A is congruent to the angle P. Angle B is congruent to the angle Q. Also angle C is congruent to the angle R. I show this by taking a same mark on the board. These are the congruent angles. Here similar triangles, it means that angles of two similar triangles are congruent and their corresponding sides are in proportion. Then we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. Therefore in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in these two triangles all angles of two similar triangles are congruent. Therefore angle A or 1-to-1 correspondence, here ABC 1-to-1 correspondence, 1-to-1 correspondence PQR. In these two 1-to-1 correspondence, we can say that angle A congruent to the angle P, angle P congruent to the angle Q, and the last and the third angle C congruent to the angle R. All the angles are congruent. Also the corresponding sides are in proportion. Which are the corresponding sides? Therefore AB upon the ratio of corresponding sides, it means that AB upon PQ, BC upon QR, BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. When the corresponding sides are in proportion and the corresponding angles are congruent, then the triangles are similar and they are denoted by, therefore triangle ABC similar, and the sign is like this. Triangle ABC is similar to the triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, observe this. From this we can better understand if the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, if the corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent and the corresponding sides of that angles are that triangles are in proportion, then we can say that these two triangles are similar triangles. This is the similar triangles. In these two triangles the corresponding angles are congruent and the corresponding sides are in the proportion. Therefore here the ratio of two sides or all sides is same. This is called as sides are in proportion. Therefore these two triangles are similar and they are denoted by or read as triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Now we see the test of similarity of triangles. There are some tests of similarity of triangles. What are the tests of? There are some conditions to clarify, or to there are 6 conditions. Out of these 6, we need any 3 component. Then we say that these 2 triangles are similar. Therefore, now we see the test of similarity of a triangle. Here, test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangles. Test of similarity of triangle. We see the first test, and the name of the test is AAA. AAA test. The long form of this name is angle test. Here, first I write the given test on the board, then we discuss the test. AAA test for a given one-to-one correspondence, between the vertices of, for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangle कुठल्याही दोन त्रिकोणामधील शिरोबिंदूंच्या एकास एकसंगतीनुसार. फॉर अ गिवन one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangle, three corresponding angle of first triangle three corresponding angle of first triangle are congruent to the three corresponding angle of other triangle. Then we can say that the triangles are similar. This is the first test of similarity, and the name of test is AAA, test of similarity. This is the first test of similarity. Here some words are so important in this test. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangles. This is the same for all the tests. Here, three corresponding angle of first triangle. Three corresponding angle of first triangle are congruent to the three corresponding angle of other triangle. Then the triangles are. Now we take any two triangle and discuss or show this test. Here we construct two triangles. Name these two triangles ABC, PQR. These are the two triangles. Here angle A congruent to the angle P, angle B congruent to the angle Q, and angle C is congruent to the angle R. Therefore we will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In these two triangles ABC and PQR, for one-to-one correspondence, which is the one-to-one correspondence? Here I write the correspondence ABC, one-to-one correspondence PQR. This is the one-to-one correspondence. Between these one-to-one correspondence, if angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B, three corresponding angle of first triangle, means all the angles of first triangle are congruent to the corresponding angle of second triangle. Angle B is congruent to angle C, and the last third angle C is congruent to the angle R. Then we can say that, what we can say that Therefore, we can say that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. This test of similarity is known as AAA test. This is the first test of similarity, AAA. Here, angle, angle, angle. If three angles are congruent to the three corresponding angles of other triangle, then the triangles are similar. Now we see a sub-test of this AAA test, and name of the test is AA test. Here I write the sub-test only AA. Here A is 3 times. In this test A is 2 times. It means angle, angle, angle. It means 3 angles of first triangle, and here only 2 angles of first triangle. Therefore we will write or we will discuss the test for a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangles. This is the same for all tests. 3. Here we replace the word 3 as only we replace this 3 as 2. 2 corresponding angle of first triangle are congruent to the 3. Here we replace the word 2. Only we replace 3 as 2. Then we get corresponding angle of other triangle. Then the triangles are similar. Here, how to represent? Here, only 2 angles. If the 2 corresponding angle of first triangle are congruent to the 2 corresponding angle of other triangle, then the third angle is automatically congruent to the measure of 3 angles is 180. Therefore, these 2 angles are congruent. Then automatically the third angle is also congruent. That's why we can say that if only 2 angles of any two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. This is the AA test. Here we complete 2 tests. The first is angle, angle, angle. The second is angle, angle test for similarity. Now we see SAS test for similarity. Here I write the name of the test, SAS test of similarity. SAS test. Read the name of the test carefully. SAS, it means side, angle, side. Here 2 sides and 1 angle, and this angle is between these 2 sides. Therefore, we will write the test for a given. This is the first sentence is same for all. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangle. Here 2 corresponding sides. Here 2 corresponding sides. Now we see this test, and name of the test is SAS test. 2 corresponding sides of first triangle. 2 corresponding sides of first triangle are in proportion with 2 corresponding sides of second triangle or other triangle, and angle between them, is congruent, and angle between them is congruent. Then the triangles are similar. By the test of SAS. This is the second test. Here we construct 2 triangles. SAS, any 2 triangle. We will construct 2 triangles. Name these 2 triangles whatever you want. Here X, Y, Z. This is the first triangle. L, M, N. L, M, N. This is the second triangle. Y congruent to the M. These 2 are the right angle. X, Y, Y, Z, M, N. These 2 sides. Here we see the SAS test. how to apply this test on examples, or here the test is in triangle XYZ and triangle LMN. In these two triangles, here two corresponding sides of first triangle, are proportion to the two corresponding sides of, and one-to-one correspondence XYZ, one-to-one correspondence LMN. This is the one-to-one correspondence. XY, if XY upon LM equal to YZ upon MN, and angle Y is congruent to the angle M. Here these two sides are proportion, angle between them is congruent. Then we can say that triangle XYZ similar to the triangle LMN. When these two are similar, by the test of SAS, if two corresponding sides of first triangle are proportion to the two corresponding sides of second triangle and the angle between them is congruent, then we can say these two triangles are similar by the test of SAS. This is the second test of similarity. Now we see the last test. Name of the test is yes. It means that side. Here the name of the test is yes test. When we read the name of the test, we better understand the test. From the name we understand yes. It means that three corresponding sides of first triangle are proportion to the three corresponding sides of, here the first sentence is as it is. For a given one-to-one correspondence between the vertices of any two triangle, here we replace these three corresponding sides of first triangle are in proportion with three corresponding sides of second triangle. Then the triangles are similar. Then the triangles are similar. By the test of yes. Here only few changes. Then we get these two are, here XY is proportion with LN. In XYZ LMN, one-to-one correspondence. Here only we replace this. Here we change this. Then we get only write XZ one-to-one LN. Then we will write these two triangles are similar by the test of SAS. There are four tests, three main and one sub test. Which are the tests? First test is angle. Three angle of first triangle are congruent to the three corresponding angle of second triangle. Then the triangles are similar. This is the first test. Two corresponding angle of first triangle are congruent to the two corresponding angle of second triangle. Then they also similar. Then by the test of AA, angle. The first is angle. Then we see yes. Two corresponding sides of first triangle and two corresponding sides of second triangle are in same proportion, and angle between them is congruent. Then they are similar by the test of SAS. And the last test is on the board. Yes test. It means side. Three corresponding sides of first triangle and three corresponding sides of second triangle are in proportion. Then they are similar by the test of yes. Now we see properties of similar triangle. These are the tests. Now the properties of similar triangle. There are three properties of similar triangle. What are the properties? Here we see properties of similar triangle. properties of similar triangle. Properties of similar triangle. There are three properties of similar triangle. The first property is reflexivity. Here the first property or the name of the first property is reflexivity. Reflexivity. In Marathi, the reflexivity, it is known as paravartanta. It means that each and every triangle is similar to itself. Every triangle is similar to itself. Therefore, triangle ABC, similar triangle ABC. Any triangle or every triangle is similar to itself. प्रत्येक त्रिकोण स्वतःशी कसा असतो, सिमिलर असतो. This is the first property. Name of the property is reflexivity. Then we see the second property, and the name of the second property is symmetry. Symmetry. Marathi, it is known as samamitata. Symmetry. What is the property of symmetry? Here I give one example. If Sachin is the brother of Rohit. Sachin is the brother of Rohit. Sachin and Rohit are brother. Sachin is the brother of Rohit. Then Rohit is also brother of Sachin. Therefore, if first triangle similar to the second triangle, then second triangle is also similar to first triangle. This property is known as symmetry. This is the second symmetry. Here double M, symmetry, not symmetry. It is symmetry. This is the second property, symmetry. First triangle is similar to the second triangle, then the second triangle is similar to the first triangle. Then the last and third property and name of the property is, here we see first reflexivity, then symmetry, then transitivity. Transitivity. What is the transitivity? Here I explain this property by a simple example. Here we take two brothers in the symmetry. Now we take three brothers. Which are the three brothers? Let us see. Ramesh is the brother of Ganesh. Ramesh is the brother of Ganesh. Ganesh is the brother of Suresh. Then who will tell me what is the relation between Ramesh and Suresh? Yes, these two are also brothers. Therefore, this property says that if first triangle is congruent to the second triangle, it means that Ramesh is the brother of Ganesh. Second triangle similar to the third triangle, it means that Ganesh is the brother of Suresh. Then we will say that what is the relation between these two triangles are also similar, and this property is known as transitivity. This is the third property, transitivity. Ramesh is the brother of Ganesh. Ganesh is the brother of Suresh. Then Ramesh and Suresh are also brothers. This is the third property. These are the properties of similar triangle. In next video, we see practice set 1.3 based on all the properties and test of similarity. Here, for watching more videos, subscribe our channel. Also share and likes our videos. Thank you.